Good morning, children. How are you, children? Are you happy? Yes, isn't it? Today we are going to learn the new lesson, that is chapter 6, trigonometry. Okay? All of you take your note and book, students. First of all, what is meant by trigonometry? No? Trigonometry, which comes from Greek words trigonon, means triangle. Okay, trigonon means triangle, and metron means measure. Metron means measure. Okay, it is in page number 222. Introduction. It was given. Trigonometry, which comes from Greek words trigonon means triangle, and metron means measure. It is the branch of mathematics that studies the relationships involving lengths of sides and measures of angles of triangles. It is a useful tool for engineers, scientists and surveyors, and is applied even in seismology and navigation. Okay, here usually we will use the right triangle. Okay, we had the 6 trigonometric ratios. What are the 6 trigonometric ratios? No, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Okay, usually we use the right triangle. What is meant by right triangle? Any one triangle must be 90 degrees. See this, it is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So always this angle or this angle we can consider as theta. If we consider theta here, opposite of this theta is known as opposite side. Okay, opposite side. Opposite of this 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Opposite of this 90 degree is known as hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. One more side is there, nearest to 90 degree or nearest to theta, that is adjacent side. Adjacent side. First we should know to identify the sides. Draw the right triangle. One angle must be 90 degree. Opposite of this 90 degree, that is hypotenuse side. Opposite of this theta is known as opposite side. And next third side is adjacent side. Nearest to theta is adjacent side. Understood? Now formula. What is the formula for sin theta? We have 6 trigonometric ratio. First one sin theta. Sin theta formula is opposite side by hypotenuse side. Opposite side by hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. Next cos theta. Cos theta equal to this adjacent by this adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. Then tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, this 3 formula you must learn. Okay, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse side. Opposite side by hypotenuse side. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, this 3 formula if you know, then only next following sums can be done. Let's write the example 6.1. Okay, this formulas must write with this triangle. Okay, in example 6.1, for the measures in the figure, compute sine, cosine, cosine means cos, and tangent. Tangent means tan. Tangent ratios of the angle theta. Okay, so diagram is given. Draw the diagram. This one right triangle 90 degree. It is given P, it is Q, it is R. It is 12 units. It is 35 units. 37 units. So diagram will be given in the question. We should know to identify opposite side by hypotenuse sin theta. First sin theta need to find out. Here the question is asked for the measures in the figure. Compute sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. We have to find out. What is the sin theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side here? Can you identify? Opposite side is, I told you, any one place. Let us take the theta. Here 90 degrees. 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree. At P it was, is it? P, Q, R. So theta also mentioned. In the diagram theta mentioned. So I told you opposite of theta is known as opposite side. Opposite of theta is RP. So it is opposite side. Okay. So roughly you write it is opposite side. Then opposite of this 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Nearest to this theta is known as adjacent. Understood? Shall we find out solution? We have to find out sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. First sin theta let us write. Sin theta equal to, what is the formula? Formula must write opposite side by hypotenuse side. What is the opposite side here? 35. What is the hypotenuse side here? 37. Okay, this much only. Then let us find out cos theta. Cos theta. What is the cos theta formula? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse side. What is the adjacent side here? Adjacent side is 12. Formula write adjacent side, adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is 12, which is equal to 12 divided by hypotenuse side is 37. Okay. Next one more is there. Tan theta. What is the tan theta formula? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent. Which is equal. What is the opposite side value here? 35. 35 divided by, what is the adjacent side here? Adjacent is 12. Understood? So sin theta equal to 35 by 37 and cos theta equal to 12 by 37 and tan theta is equal to 35 by 12. Understood, students? Here same as we have one homework question. Note it. Exercise 6.1 question number 1. Okay. First question homework. Do this exercise 6.1 first question homework. Okay. Understood, students? Next we have reciprocal ratios. Okay. We just now we learned sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta. Okay. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. So this value also reciprocally we have to write hypotenuse by opposite. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to secant theta. So this formula we have to write hypotenuse by adjacent. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, cot tangent. That is reciprocally answer also adjacent by opposite side. So this formula you should write. Okay, for this leave the space. So here it was given 1 by secant theta, cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. As well as sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. As well as sin theta and cosecant theta is equal to 1. Cos theta and secant theta is equal to 1. Tan theta and cot theta is equal to 1. So this and this tabular column and This formulas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3. This formulas you must write. Okay, here up to here. So this tabular column and this formulas, following down formulas, you have to write after that. For this you have to write after that example 6.2. What is the example 6.2? No, let us write example 6.2. Find the 6 trigonometric ratios of the angle theta using the given diagram. Diagram is given. Draw the diagram. Right triangle is given and also named A, B, C. It is theta 25, 7. This value did not given. We have to find out first. Okay. So here just identify the sides first of all. Opposite of this theta is opposite side. Opposite of this one 90 degree, this side, this angle 90 degree. Opposite of this 90 degree is hypotenuse. This one is adjacent side. So now given AC equal to 7, BC equal to 25. AB we don't know, we have to find out. How can we find out? It is right triangle. Any two sides are there, third side we can find out easily by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Do you know? Squares of the, in 8th standard you learned, squares of the hypotenuse side is sum of the squares of other two sides, which is the hypotenuse here BC. So BC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, AC square plus AB square. Here we have to find out AB value. So AB keep there, remaining bring it here. So BC square, AC square term bring it here, so it become minus AC square equal to AB. This AB only we have to find out, AB square. So we have to find out AB, so that take the square root. Okay, square root on both sides. So AB equal to square root of BC square minus AC square, which is equal to square root of what is BC value given? BC is 25. So 25 square minus what is AC given? 7 square. What is 25 square? Square root of 25 into 25 is 625 minus 7 square is 49, which is equal to square root of, subtract it, 576, which is equal to, using long division we have to find out this one. So square root of 576 is, listen here, 576. So using long division method, so 3 digits are there. First 1 digit, next 2 digit, together we have to take. Now squares of this 5. Squares of 5 is not there, so nearest 5. So 2 only can be taken. 2 2s are 4. 1 balance. Next 2 digits together take 7 6. Now this quotient value 2 we have to multiply by 2 and 1 right here. So 2 2s are 4. Now nearest to 176 or 176 we have to get. So which number, suitable number we have to select. If you put here 1, here also that 1 must be right. So 21 into 1, 21. If you write 2, here 22, here 2. 22 into 2, 44. If you write 3, 23 into 3. What is 23 into 3? What is 23 into 3? 69 will come, is it? So if you take 4, That 4 here also must be right. Now multiply 44 into 4. 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 44 into 4. 16 1 balance. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 176 0. Now answer is 24. Okay. Quotient value is the answer. So 24. So AB equal to 24. Now we have to find out 6 trigonometric ratios. What are the 6 trigonometric ratios? I said you: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. One by one let us find out. Okay. So 6 trigonometric ratios we have. One by one let us find out. First of all, sin theta. The 6 trigonometric ratios are the 6 trigonometric ratios are first sin theta. Sin theta equal, what is the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side. What is the opposite side here? 7. What is the hypotenuse? 25. 7 by, what is the adjacent side? We have AB value 24. Can be right here 24. So sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Next, cos theta. What is the cos theta formula? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse side. What is the adjacent side value? 24. Just now we did not AB 24. AB 24. That only adjacent side. Adjacent is 24. We have adjacent by hypotenuse. So 24 by 25. 25. What is the third one? Tan theta. What is the tan theta formula? Opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent, which is equal to, what is the opposite side? 7. What is the adjacent? 24. 7 by 24. Then next, reciprocal of sine, that is secant theta. Sorry, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta, which is equal to this reciprocal of the sine value. Okay. So reciprocally we have to write. Opposite by hypotenuse is there for sine. So for cosecant theta, reciprocally we have to write. So it come hypotenuse side by opposite side. Hypotenuse side by opposite side, which is equal to 25 by 7. Next, reciprocal of cos theta, that is secant theta, equal to 1 by cos theta. So which can, this one we have to write it reciprocally. So it become hypotenuse side by adjacent side, which is equal to, so 25 by 24. Next, sin reciprocal, cos reciprocal over, then tan reciprocal, that is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, which is equal to adjacent by opposite, which is equal to 24 by 7. Okay. Understood, students? Next, example 6.3. If tan A is equal to 2 by 3, then find all the other trigonometric ratios. Let's draw the diagram. Okay, diagram is given like this. Take 90 degree. Let us name it A, B, C. Let's find out the sides first of all. Opposite of 90 is always hypotenuse. Let us take the theta here, angle. Here tan A mentioned, so in place of theta we have to give. In place of theta A mentioned, so in place of theta we have to give A. So opposite of this theta is known as opposite side. Opposite of this theta is known as opposite side. Another one, third side is adjacent side. Adjacent. Here given tan A equal to 2 by 3. Solution. Given tan A is equal to 2 by 3. Tan A is equal to, what is tan A formula? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent equal to 2 by 3. So here opposite side is 2, adjacent side is 3. So this hypotenuse side we got to find out. Okay, 2 by 3. Opposite 2, adjacent 3. Tan formula, using tan formula. This the AC side we don't know, we are going to find out. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. AC equal to, we have to find out AC. We know squares of the hypotenuse side is sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AB square plus BC square. We need AC. So AC equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, which is equal to square root of, what is AB value? AB is 3. AB is 3 square plus BC is 2. So 2 square, which is equal to square root of, it is 9 plus 4, which is equal to root of 13. Now AC equal to root of 13. Now easily all the 6 sides we can write. What are the 6 ratios we have? First sin theta. Here in place of theta we have A. So sin A is equal to, what is the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here which is the opposite side? Here 2. Which is the hypotenuse? 13. Which is equal to 2 by root of 13. Next cos A. Cos A equal to, what is the cos A formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse, which is equal to, what is the adjacent side value? We have 3. Adjacent side 3 by hypotenuse side root of 13. And tan A. What is tan A formula? Tan A is equal to, what is tan formula? Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Adjacent. What is the opposite value? 2 by adjacent value 3. Okay. Then cosecant A. Cosecant A. Cosecant A is 1 by sin A, which is reciprocally we have tried this one. So root of 13 by 2. Then secant A. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A, which is equal to reciprocal of cos. So root 13 by 3. Root 13 by 3. Next cot A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A, which is equal to reciprocally this one we have tried. Reciprocally this tan value we have tried. So 2 by 3 is there. So cot value 3 by 2. Understood students? So here sin A is 2 by root 13. Cos A is 3 by root 13. Tan A is 2 by 3. So cosecant is reciprocal of sin. So opposite by hypotenuse, reversely we have to take, reciprocally we have to take hypotenuse by opposite, that is root 13 by 2. Then this for secant theta, this cos value reciprocally. Okay, 1 by cos A, that is root 13 by 3. Then cot theta, reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of tan. Here tan theta we have opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, that is 2 by 3. Cot means reciprocal of tan, 1 by tan. So tan is 2 by 3. So cot become 3 by 2. This value reciprocally we have to write. Understood students? Okay, these are the today's class. Thank you students, learn properly, and I have given one homework now, that also do that. Okay, formulas and all learn thoroughly. Thank you students.